So this is the final Trello board that you can see that I created for my first project, that is my first Trello board. Hi, this is Sonit from Techie Trickle. So what is a Trello board? Now you might be wondering, like, what do I do with this board? So Trello board is basically a list of lists which are filled with cards. So these are the lists that I'm talking about. So you can go ahead and create as many lists as you want, and you can create as many cards that you want inside a list, but it is not mandatory to create a card inside any list. So Trello is a complete package which allows you to organize your projects of any size. So if you are an educator, teacher, freelancer, corporates, or even for that matter, if you are a business owner, you would definitely want to start using this particular tool wherein you can manage your activities. So each of these cards that you are seeing here are actually tasks that you can create. So if I click on any of these cards, you would see that it holds many different attributes that we will take it up in different videos, because otherwise this video will get very long. So you can go ahead and mark it as complete or not complete. You can add due dates here, and there are a lot of other things that you can add here. So you can even add attachments from different areas, so where your students or your employees can go ahead and refer to. Okay, so once you have created your board, you can make it as private, public, or you can even make it only visible to your team. So when I say team, is you can go ahead and invite your students or your employees or whoever you want to have access to this particular board after you have created a team. So I have already created a team called Team YT, and under that I have 2 persons. Okay, so these 2 persons are able to view this, and the way you see this arrows, so this means that this particular person is the admin. On top of this, you would find labels here, which makes it more visually attractive, and also you can add different stickers if you want, so that you can mark it as ticked if you have completed it, or you can even mark it as crossed if you feel that this particular task is not so important. So with the checklist and the due dates, you will never miss any deadlines whatsoever. So it will pop up on your task that the delivery is due, and you will make sure that you are going ahead and doing it. So if you are interested, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and you give me a big thumbs up. And also do not forget to share this with your friends and families, because I'm going to create a series on the Trello, and you will learn a lot of things which you can implement in your activities as and when you are doing. So till the next time, bye bye.